Hi guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future. Today I'm here to tell you guys how you can make your hands silky smooth and wrinkle free in just 15 days, and this process takes only 20 minutes to do. Simply follow my 5 steps, which is only going to take 20 minutes, and you're going to get smoother and younger looking hands. So let's jump on to the first step, which is to simply clean your hands with some hand soap and water. In this step, you can also shave your fingers if in case you have any hair. Rinse off with normal tap water. Now let's move on to step 2, which is an antibacterial and hand softening hand soak, which is going to deep clean and tone your hands. For this, take a bowl of clean tap water. Simply add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well and soak your hands for 2 to 3 minutes. Apple cider vinegar is antibacterial and also helps to heal dry, cracked hands, and is recognized for its ability to restore the pH balance of the skin, helping it to retain moisture better. It may also help in exfoliating and softening the skin. Apple cider vinegar and salt both can also reduce inflammation and infection. Salt will help to reduce sore hands and will help to relax your hand muscles. Soak your hands for around 2 to 3 minutes. By the way guys, don't throw the water, we need it for our next step. So for now, on to the third step, which is an exfoliating and whitening hand scrub. For this, you will only need 3 simple ingredients, which is 1 teaspoon of any instant coffee powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and last but not least 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. You can also use coconut oil or olive oil or even almond oil. It doesn't really matter. It will all work the same. Now add everything into a clean bowl and mix everything very well. Now apply it onto your hands in a circular motion for around 2 to 3 minutes as shown in the video. This hand scrub is a wonderful exfoliator and works well to brighten and whiten your skin. Coffee also enhances circulation, so it is the ideal ingredient for a hand scrub. Coffee is a rich source of antioxidant. Because of its qualities, coffee plays a crucial role in regulating cell regrowth, leading to retained hydration and increased skin elasticity. Grapeseed oil is a wonderful oil for your hands. Many of grapeseed oil's beauty benefits may be due to its vitamin E and omega-6 fatty acid content. So it helps to reduce signs of aging, dry skin, and discoloration. After 2 to 3 minutes, simply wash it off in the same hand soak water. You will immediately feel a difference. Your hands will be smoother, softer, and brighter from the first use itself. You are going to love the results. So now on to step 4, which is anti-wrinkle and brightening hand mask. For this, you will need a clean bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of sandalwood powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and last but not least 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw milk. Mix everything very well into a smooth paste. Now, before applying, you also need to take 2 Ziploc bags as shown here, open them and keep aside. I'll tell you what to do with it later. Now, go ahead and apply the hand mask all over your hands. Regular use of this hand mask can soothe sunburn, remove suntan, and reduce signs of aging like dry skin and wrinkles. It also removes dark patches, uneven skin, also removes dead cells and leave your hands polished, glowing and brighter. This hand mask is suitable to use all over your body, especially if you want to remove suntan and to get a brighter and glowing skin like that of a bride. Now, simply put your hands into the Ziploc bag and cover them for 10 minutes. It's better to keep your hands covered as 1. You will be able to do your things, and 2. It generates heat which will help the hand mask to penetrate deep into your skin. After 10 minutes, remove your hands from the Ziploc bag and wash your hands with normal tap water. You will immediately feel your hands smooth and brighter. Look at that glow, girls. I hope you can see the difference in the camera. It really feels nice. The hands are really soft and smoother now. Okay, so now on to the last and final step, which is to keep your hands always moisturized. I always use aloe vera gel for my hands. You can use store-bought or the gel from the aloe vera plant. Aloe vera is an all-in-one remedy for your hands. The moisturizing and soothing properties of aloe vera can help heal dry hands, but not only that, it also helps to keep your hands younger and brighter always. Do the full 5 steps once or twice a week to completely remove your wrinkles and to get a softer, smoother and brighter hands. It will barely take you 20 minutes to do this, guys. So enjoy this pampering. So that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. Share this with your friends and family, and you can also follow me on my Instagram and other social media. The links will be in the description box below. Thank you guys. Bye. Love you.